So hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Perplexity AI says you have no internet, but your browser loads other sites just fine. So in today's small tutorial we're gonna go through how to fix no internet connection in Perplexity AI, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. As for the number one step, is to verify your actual connection. Before blaming Perplexity, make sure you are actually online. Try loading another website. Check if other apps even work. Then try to run a speed test. If other sites work, the issue is specific to the Perplexity app. So now we know the issue, we're gonna go try basically to look for fixes. I'm talking here about disabling your VPN. Since VPNs are the number one cause of no internet errors with Perplexity, disable your VPN completely and try again. And also we can easily check the proxy settings, Perplexity clients, read system environment variables for proxies, misconfigured. Basically proxy can block connections. On Windows, go to control panel, internet options, connections, LAN settings, and check use the proxy server and click OK then restart. So you can also temporarily disable firewall. Your firewall might be blocking Perplexity's connection. Go to control panel, Windows Defender Firewall, click turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off, then temporarily turn it off. Remember to turn it back on later. And also test Perplexity. If it works, add an exception for Perplexity. And that's it. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.